Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix fast charging not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, click on charging settings. After click on charging settings, click on, you will see fast charging is here. If you want to fix fast charging problem, so turn on fast charging button. After turn on fast charging button, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so change your charger. After change your charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix fast charging not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.